invincible.
Hey everyone!
Oops.
It's time to gore the like button.
Wow, lots of things thrown in here. All right, good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Was that a great night? I missed some great shorts. See, that gold short would have worked, and this ES short's working. I think NQ would have worked as well on a 5, although we've been so high up, it's been hard to tell. Meanwhile, crude's going long. Crude, big time drop today on crude. That's gold too. Okay, that's fine. That did not mean to bring up Colgate Palmolive. There we go. You can see crude's just been falling hard. NQ falling. I see NQ falling. I see. Sorry. I better make sure this was public. I bet you it's not. Nope. Damn it. Tail. Little pop on NQ. Hey David, how you doing? Crude pulls back a bit. Hey, Alley Cat, how you doing? Bitcoin nearing 75K. NQ within 800 points of its all-time high. I mean, it's come down from the high of the day, 619, but still. Hey, Ron, how you doing? Hey, Casey, how's it going? NQ turning back around. Hey, Teo. and keep grinding here. Our ATR is only 4. I'm gonna have to use the. I mean, I probably should be using the 5-minute chart anyway. Trying to figure out what it wants to do. Gold did pop back up. Blue candle on the 5. Hey, JJR. Keep coming back down though. Purple candle there on the 1 that. And back up. How'd your trading go today, JJR? Nice work. Yeah, price action is terrible. The last 15-minute candle that closed had a range of 12 points on NQ. Gold's a little bit better. Hey, Crypticon. What'd you get, Crypticon? Aw, cool. Yep, NQ going right back up to the top. So there was a long opportunity there, obviously, but it's hard to trust it when things are this slow. Crude coming back down. Excellent, JJR. I knew you would recover that little slump. Excuse me. Crude oil won the trade tonight. This is the 5-minute chart in crude. You see this beautiful purple candle here, this bounce here, and then another purple candle here. And Q pulls back. We did have double bells. Excuse me a minute, I got a tickle in my throat. It's still there. Dang it. I got a quick move down there on NQ. I mean, it was only 7 points, but still. 'Twas a double bell setup. It is forming a purple candle on the 5. I guess we'll try. I kind of like that up, down move. And yep. Which account am I on here? It's the right one.
Order filled.
Hold on. There it is. See, it shot down to 90 right as that candle. Well, as the 1 minute candle opened. Looking for 85 here. I'm in at 95. So looking for 10 points. So 2 contracts. See if maybe that's greedy though. It doesn't seem to want to get lower than this, where it's at right now, 592.5. Maybe.
Order
Well,
filled.
I'll get out there. That was ended up being a horrible trade. I knew I should have taken it off sooner. 1 point trade. And back down, so I shouldn't have jumped out probably. It is hitting 100 EMA on the 1 minute chart too. And I had a single bell in the 1 minute. $600. Could go back up there. It's just kind of putzing around here right now. Crude trying to pop up a little bit. Ooh, nope, there's a move down. I should have held that trade. I'm mad at myself for not holding as it's getting down to that where I had that target. I had the target on 585 and it just hit 585. I gotta get better at holding trades. Gotta. Crude down as well, so maybe we'll see a bounce here on Q. We are getting double bells on the 1 minute. Hey John, how you doing? Just to have it. I knew what you meant, John. Nice, very nice. I would be if I actually held that short I just had, but crude trying to bounce up. So NQ coming down further and faster. Phillies are winning 4-2. Schwarber's hit 2 home runs. Excellent, John. Excellent. NQ down to 580, 577 now. Quick move down. Let's see if there's news or if this is never mind. It's that Tokyo Open. So Tokyo's buying up some crude and selling off some indices. So NQ trying to bounce a little bit. Sorry, arguing with somebody. Yeah, the Phillies are actually winning. They scored in more than one inning. Schwarber's hit 2 home runs. He has 6 now, so he's on pace for 60. Oh, NQ down harder now. So if I'd held that trade, I mean, a purple candle was a signal. I got to get better at that. And I'm going to probably move, I'm going to move to the 5-minute chart. Because, I mean, right there, that was, that's on the 15-minute. Whoops. I didn't even realize I was on a 15-minute. 5-minute, beautiful purple candle there on the 5-minute. And look at that beautiful move down. Here's another one right there. And today, I mean, if you look at today's price action, the 5-minute would have been just beautiful all day long. Starting right here, this is right as the stream started. Look, I could have just followed that up until it hit the Bollinger or until I got the double bell, which happened on the same candle. That would have been a 70-point trade. Then the next one right here, right back up for another 50 points. This one right here would have been the perfect drop. So, yeah, I just need to get my charts and alerts set up on the 5-minute. She said April was here, and I thought she had a a guest named April. Then I realized not. What about there on NQ? JJR, are you okay, man? Or did you get out of that trade? Hope it bounces for you, JJR. John, why are you torturing yourself, man? You know you can do better with trading. And I mean, and it sounded like you don't really like the job. Whoa! Phillies just scored 4 more. They're up 8-2. Crew kind of just hanging here. And Q back down after looking like it wanted to poke up. Gold poking up a little bit. Oh, popping back up. So down, up, down move there on NQ. Kind of like it. What's the 5 look like? Yeah, I got bells on the 5. I kind of like that as a possible long here. Let's see. See how this 1 minute candle finishes. I know I just said I'll do things on the 5, and that is 2 minutes to finish. That's a blue candle. We're gonna go long. We're gonna shoot for that 582 that JJR needs. And golfing, John. You like golfing too, and it sounds like that would cut into your golf time too. Blue candle on the 5. Can it reach that 82? 85 is actually where the 9 EMA is there, which is where my target actually should be, but I'll stick with 82. I'm getting single bells on the 1 minute chart.
Order filled.
I'm going to take it off there. 78 half. Seemed like it was struggling. There's 582. See? Again, I need to leave my hands off. Damn. There's gold popping up too. Someone tell me to leave my hands off, especially since that was a signal on the 5 minute chart to enter. Now, JJR, are you staying in, or were you just happy to get back to break even? Yeah, I definitely need a zap collar. Actually, it probably should be around my wrist, so like causes my fingers to like cramp up, so I can't like grip the mouse. Nice, JJR, very nice. Oh wow, yeah, that's much bigger than your normal size. Mighty Ox at Legends, John. Mighty Ox is my code there in Apex. Oh, wow. Thank you, John. The Phillies are now up 9-2. Yeah. Storm. Sky looks really weird. There's NQ rising again. So I missed this. I got to get better at my making sure I hit my entries. I got to figure out either an alert system or hire an assistant that'll tell me about my trades that I should take. You can see right here on goal on the 5 minute. We came down, so this purple candle was an entry to take this. Single bells, and then that same single bell on the green candle for backup was a signal to go back up, and you can see how well that would have worked for like almost 10 points now. So gold tonight, I'm not even going to count this signal at the close to the open. This signal right here was perfect. This one was not really. And it really wasn't a signal because it was below the line. This one was good, and then this one was good. All these would have been. Well, hold on. At least 5 points, and two of them I think would have been 10. Here's NQ coming back down. That was a double bell setup on the one. Interesting. I don't know what does the 5 look like. I like it on the 5 too. So hold on, let's see if it comes back down for me. It's a quick move down. Hit the the SMA perfectly though. 575 is the low of that candle. Let's see if it breaks on through. Crude's also coming down, so seeing crude come down, it doesn't make me warm and fuzzy thinking NQ's going to come down as well.
Order filled.
I'm going to try the short here. It may be me being impatient because it is struggling with that 20 SMA, which is the Bollinger Band SMA. On the one, it needs to break it. And every time it does, it gives me a single bell, so maybe not the best entry. Another purple candle there, though. Excellent work, JJR. It's hard to do that. I did that today on a crude trade, and it was hard. Worked out, but it was hard. We blew up the Cubs pitcher, John Assad, gave up 9 earned runs in 4 1/3. This is popping back up here, struggling to get lower. Still like the short. There we go. Now we're getting a little momentum. Why do you hate the Cubs? I mean, I don't like the Cubs either, but gold really just popped. Crude's still coming down. I did not have the warm and fuzzies about this trade because of crude coming down, but a target there at around 63. It would be about a 10-point trade if it can get there. But it's certainly moving slowly.
Order
Took
filled.
it off. It looks like it went ready to bounce. Again, not could have got more out of that, and we'll see if it still comes down. See if I should have not touched it. Do I want a lot of Cubs games? I think PCA is a good player, but I don't think he's going to be a mega star like some people think. I don't. I mean, I only watch Philly games, so I don't really watch anything else. All right, JJR. Good job getting back to green. See you in the morning, my friend. Pete Rose started off the year cold. He's 0 for 3 in this game. OPS is down under 5 now. That said, it's still higher than Alec Boehm and Bryson Stott. And there is a pop. So I am glad I got out of that trade. Wish I had gotten out of it a few points sooner. No, Turner's at the top of the lineup, 1 for 4 tonight. Only batting 254 so far on the year. He hit a homer yesterday. It was barely a homer, but it was a homer. Gold trying to push back up after it did a whole wonky thing there. Harper's got his OPS back up to almost 900. Schwarber's up over 1,000 now. And let's push up on gold and NQ. So I didn't trust. I had a blue candle on the 1 minute chart. Didn't trust it, and it's working on NQ. It's a weird looking sky out there right now. Looks like there's a dust storm coming. Crude dropping hard. Yeah, I mean, I read the news today. I did not think the news that was coming out of everything was enough to cause NQ and ES to rise up as hard as it did, and crude to fall as hard as it did. NQ back up to 592. The Phillies have scored another run. So after only scoring in 3 of the last 46 innings before this game, The Phillies have scored in 5 of the 6 innings in this game. NQ giving me double bells, but they're not the greatest place for them. Anybody else here tonight? It's kind of quiet here tonight, besides John and me talking baseball. We're talking baseball. Willie, Mickey, and the Duke say. Dad, I got a new AI that debut tomorrow. Should cause everyone to groan. Yeah. For something here. Gold continuing to grind. Trying to get back up to 4,800 of gold. NQ kind of giving me a signal it wants to short. But I've kind of tried to almost fall for that earlier and it didn't work.
Connection lost.
NQ struggling to get about 25,600 here. I mean, I still can't believe we're back to 25,600, which is about 800 points off the all-time high. I mean, if they actually announce where this ceasefire turns into the end of the war, you got to think this thing's gonna burst up huge. Remind me, John. I've had a weekend since then. Which company are we talking about? Payout Lab, maybe. The one that track your okay, yeah. I spent a bunch of time this weekend getting all my accounts updated and stuff. Um, and yeah, I mean, like here, I can even show it right now. I think. Uh, let's see. I'm not sure what. Okay, I think. Let me find my software and let me see what this shows. So this is Payout Lab. I have all my. If you look at my dash, well, let me scroll down. This is it. Shows me this is all my accounts together. So like today, all my funded accounts combined were down $1,534. You can see I have my funded. Wait, is it gonna roll? Scroll down any further? No, it's not. Let me figure that out. Give me a minute. Nope. Nope. There we go. So here, you know, you can see all my different accounts. Like if I do this, shows me all my apexes, the balances of them, and all that. My funded futures, Tradify, topstep. This is needs to go. That was a mistake. And take profit trader. And it auto syncs each day. Setting it up honestly is a little bit of a pain to start, but once you get it set up, then it's cool. You can see different reports. It also loads a little slow. I've told them this. Equity curves and all that. You can do it for all your accounts, or you can do it for, you know, various accounts, etc. Gives you all your stats. Not even sure what that is exactly there, but it'll do an ROI tracker if you put in your, like, what you're paying for your accounts. You can do it. You have a daily journal if you want to journal. Trade logs. I am an affiliate. Have a good night, Crypt. Yep. This is the trade log of all the trades I took today. Again, you can just, you know, pick one account if you want, like, and give it a minute, and it will just show from that. Yeah, there we go. There's all the trades I took today on that one account, etc. So yeah, that's Payout Lab. It's pretty cool. You can see it. I can go back to March and it shows me everything I did in March. And even further back. I'm not sure. Oh, because I'm on. Okay, yeah. I'm only on one account right now. So if I take that one account away, it'll show more February. But yeah. So it handles Rhythmic and Tradovate. Topstep X, you have to manually export the CSV in each time. But it has Tradovate, Rhythmic, and DX feed. So if I want to, like, if I go back to the dash here, like, back here, I can just come down here to connections and hit sync. Oops, again, okay. Right now it says reconnect, but you can just hit sync, and it will sync for the day. Give me a minute. I need to screenshot this. They're still working out some bugs, but right now it's cheap to get in, and it's 20% off with my code. And they're basically they're still considered beta. So before they do the regular launch, it's going to increase. The price is going to increase the regular launch. Anyone that gets in before then will have the cheaper amount. Can you export a CSV from MT4 and MT5? Then yes, you have to do it manually, but you could do it, yes. I think it's like $8 a month, John. Somewhere between 8 and 10 right now. Okay, I can post the link here for you in a minute. Yeah, Teo, this is something that in a couple of days we're going to do some social media on as well. I've been working with the owner of it, the guy that created it, helping him with bugs and stuff as well. Here's the link. Code is MOT as usual. So NQ back down to 585. It's been here a few times tonight. Gold did try to hit that 4,800. How close did it get? Hold on. I got things in my way. I got things in my way going jing-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, sorry. I got to 47.99.4, so it got within 6 ticks. Not in the past few minutes, no. Probably like 30 minutes. Crude oil with a blue candle there. Kind of like it. Kind of, eh. Aw. Yeah, we're getting storms here too. I didn't realize I wanted storms tonight, but I guess they do. Looks like I got storms right through Thursday. Holy Hannah. So it's going to be 85 on Friday. Saturday night, low at 39. Sunday night, low at 37. Nice pop there on NQ. Nice pop on NQ up to 592. Well, I'm sure if I'm getting down into the 30s this weekend, you're going to be getting down into the 30s this weekend. Let's see, Windsor, Ontario. Yep. Oh, wow. John, you're getting down to freezing on Sunday and Monday. Low 32 degrees. High of only 41 on Sunday. So now we've covered trading, sports, and weather on this stream. About 30 minutes to go. Yeah, crude coming back, coming down more. Yep, we just need some celebrity gossip or something. All right, John, go for it. There we go. Health news. There we go. ATR and NQ's down to 4. It's ugh. Broke under 96 now on the crude oil. Bitcoin dropping here as well. It gotten as high as 75 something. Down to just trying to, well, yeah, it's trying to hold 74. You could still be having nerve damage. When you say your numbers are in control, what is your what's your A1C? And I would recommend starting a supplement called I you know what? I'm not gonna try to pronounce it. Give me a minute. I'll post it. There's a fat-soluble version of vitamin B1. They actually have started using this as a prescription in Europe to treat diabetic neuropathy and other diabetic to stave off diabetic issues. Wow, something just happened. Crew just popped up 77 ticks, NQ down hard. Oh, never mind. Apparently, that's just an open. I keep forgetting about the different market opens. They've really bought up crude and sold NQ. That was a harsh move down there on NQ. We're down 15 points. It increases intracellular thiamine diphosphate levels more efficiently than regular B1. It activates the enzyme transcetylase, which redirects toxic glycolytic metabolites responsible for high glucose damage away from harmful pathways. Now, that said, you should probably try and get in and make sure you're not dealing with any type of clotting in your lower extremities, John, just to be sure. Or if you start this supplement and you're not seeing any improvement, especially if your numbers are good, you probably, then you might want to go in and get checked just to make sure that you don't have, more vascular damage than you might think. Put it that way. Yeah, I take the. It's one of the 42 supplements I take. Hey, Mr. G. Good to see you. Why wouldn't I see you, G? I mean, you could get one of those desks that you can sit and stand at, but I couldn't imagine trying to trade and stand at the same time. Crew comes back down and keeps trying to push back up. Gee. Any side effects to that, alley cat? What was it? Gee. See, I'm not sure if I'm lucky or unlucky in the fact that my feet I never had that issue. My feet just went right to numb where I couldn't feel things. Oh, wow. Didn't realize natural gas had fell so much. Crew giving back about half that huge candle from the Singapore Open. I think it's Singapore Open at the top of the hour. Yeah, I'm shocked. Gee, we're as high as we are for the fact that there's so much uncertainty. Yeah, John, they it's just an amazing game. They have scored in every inning but one. NQ unsure what it wants to do right now. Gold pulls back a little bit. Crude comes up a little bit. Hopefully this starts a bust out for the Phillies bats. Oh, their relief pitcher's giving up some runs right now. It's now 13-5. Oh yeah, I'm just thinking that if they actually announce the end of the war, we could see a huge, huge move up. Sounds like a good plan, John. You're about to be a tycoon. Teo, are you still here? I have a My Funded Futures is doing a special uh, tomorrow. I can't announce it, but I'm sending it. I'm gonna be posting it in the whatchamacallit, the thing. It goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern time, so make sure you don't post it before then. It's only 24 hours, technically 26 hours. Rad Poker. How are you doing? The accounts are doing all right. I mean, I need to start making some moves on them. They're not hurting. They're not really making any progress. I haven't really heard much about NFTs at all, Mr. G. I think that whole thing kind of phased out, thankfully. I never understood it. That is, hold on a minute. That's when the signal line and the RSI line on the RSI separate by more than 15. It usually indicates a reversal. Well, or I should say indicates a reversal. Indicates a possible reversal. So I got three colors. I got blue. That's when the moving average, the price moves further away from the 9 EMA than than the ATR. The purple is when the RSI lines separate by more than 15, and green is when both happens at once. And like when green happens, like over here, you can see when I get that purple signal, it's usually a great signal to go the other way. This one right here, that's just a RNR, a version of the RSI. It's the ultimate RSI. And way below is just more charts. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Boston. See, I should have taken this purple candle here. Although it's bouncing now, but it went down almost 2 points and then bounced. I use 80 and 20, G. But I still wait for other confirmation. I haven't been to a sporting event since 1996. Whoa, NQ just dropped hard. I agree, G. I mean, I've heard of the prices. Like I said, I haven't been to a sporting event in long, or a concert or anything. I've never been to a concert in my life. I mean, I don't eat pizza anymore, but I know the last time I did, it's getting pretty expensive. I mean, the actual pizza, it's with all, and if you get it delivered and all the extra fees and all that. I mean, like you can get a large pizza for like Pizza Hut or Domino's for like $11, but if you get it delivered, they charge a delivery fee and a service fee and all this other stuff. And as China opens, NQ moves down. Have a great one, John. Have a great one, G. Watching that quick move down there in NQ as China opened. And we're going to call it a night. I do thank you all for being here. Nice to see you all. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time for some more great trading action. Have a great one. Bye.